Dunkin gift card on the app. In this video, you are going to learn how to put Dunkin gift card on the app. So let's get started. First, download and install the Dunkin app on your mobile device. You can download it from the App Store for iPhone users and Google Store for Android users. If you don't have a Dunkin account, you will need to create one. If you already have an account, sign in using your credentials. Open the Dunkin app and look for the section related to rewards or perks. This is usually represented by a tab or icon at the bottom of the screen. After that, add or reload a card. In the perks section, you should find an option to add or reload a Dunkin card. Choose this option. Enter the required information from your Dunkin gift card. This typically includes the card gift number and the PIN. You can find this information on the physical card or in the email if it is an e-gift card. Now verify and confirm. Once verified, confirm the addition of the gift card to your Dunkin Donut. Check card balance. After adding the card, you may want to check the card balance to ensure it reflects the correct amount. That's all. That's how you will be able to put Dunkin gift card on the application.